Yo, what is up, YouTube? And today I'm going to be talking to you about why I haven't posted lately. We just got an adoption. We were adopting 3 kids. Now I have 6 brothers and sisters. So yeah, it's just... And I haven't had that much spare time to post within the last week. Last month I was posting like that. But that ain't us anymore. That ain't me anymore. Until I can get a lot of spare time like I did then. I'll put my Kik down in the description. I'll also put my Instagram down in the description. Instagram. I'm looking for a girlfriend also. And that really hasn't been going so good. Most girls like me though. But I don't like most of the girls. Please zoom in on my eyeball. So yeah, YouTube, as you see, I just got home from the adoption. As you see, I'm in some very, very nice clothes. There's our TV, and here's our living room. If you're a girl and you live in Oklahoma, and you watch my videos, please, and if you think I'm cute, please put it in the comment section below. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.